My name is Devin Cook, a luxury real estate agent here in DFW, and today I'm going to discuss how to sell more houses in a shifting real estate market. Now, I've broken this down into 5 steps, and the first step is the most important, and that's to get clients, or in other words, lead generate. Now, you can do lead generating in a lot of different ways, and there's no real right way to do it. It's kind of whatever fits your style, but lead generation is going to be essential to building a long-lasting and sustainable business, because without more leads coming in, without more clients coming in, you're not going to be selling more houses. So the leads or the clients are going to be at the top of your funnel, and you need to get as many new leads and clients coming in as possible, so that way you can sell as many homes as possible. Now, what are some different avenues that you can take to lead generate? I'm not going to go into these in depth, but I'm just going to give you some examples. You could lead generate by going out and door knocking, offering people home valuations on their properties to see if they're interested in selling. You could also just start cold calling expireds or cancels or FSBOs. You could work your past clients or your sphere, the people that you already know, to ask for referrals. You could send out flyers to specific neighborhoods that you want to get into, and you can also start social media in those neighborhoods or those areas, and you can start marketing yourself online. And you can also build strategic alliances with title companies or lenders or small businesses where you're going to partner together and bring each other more business. Now, step number 2, once you've already captured some new clients that are looking to buy or sell real estate, is you have to educate your clients. You need to help everyone that you're working with understand the reality of the market that we're in, especially if they're selling a home and the prices are shifting downwards. You need to help them understand that. Be as honest as possible, don't mince words, and ultimately your clients are going to trust you being upfront and honest with them about the state of the market. And that brings me to step number 3, which is to know your market, because not all markets right now are shifting as much as others. Some markets are actually still going up and still seeing price increases overall, while others are just sitting stagnant, and some other markets or neighborhoods or zip codes are actually trending downwards when it comes to price. And that's why you as an agent really has to know your data. You need to know your numbers, the inventory on the market, what's selling, what's not, what are the average prices and the average price per square foot in specific areas or zip codes that you're looking to get into. And once you know all of that data and you really have internalized it and you can explain it to your clients, you're going to be able to help them win offers if you're looking to help buyers, and you're going to also be able to help your sellers price their homes as competitively as possible, so that way they can sell it for the most money in this market and get it sold in as timely fashion as possible. Now, step number 4 is to build a team. Now, that does not mean that you have to start hiring other agents and admin assistants and showing agents and all these other things. What I mean by building a team is you need to start partnering with lenders, title companies, inspectors, home warranty companies, and everyone else that's involved in this home buying or home selling process as possible. That way, when you get a new client and you're looking to sell their home or help them buy a home, you're going to have already title companies, lending companies, home warranty companies all lined up and ready to go to recommend to them, and you're just going to seem like that much more of a professional. Now, that also means that you need to partner with these title companies and lending companies that perform a high level of service for your clients, so that way when your client has a great experience, it just makes them trust you even that much more because you gave them a great recommendation. And step number 5 to sell more homes is simply to communicate with your clients and communicate with them regularly. Be as transparent as possible. Whether they're first-time home buyers or home sellers, or whether they've bought their 20th home, make sure you go through this process with them step by step, because likely chances are they've not bought or sold a home in several years, and so they're going to not be as familiar with this market as maybe they were in the market that they bought or sold in. Let them know how things are changing or how things are not changing, and also just make sure that they're aware of anything that could come up, good or bad, along the road to getting their home sold or buying a new one, so that way there are no surprises. If you have any questions, shoot me an email and we'll get in contact.